Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans.
Check. I told y'all I would be back next week. Braxton, play the clip. How long next week been back?
It's the philosophy for me, man. See y'all next week.
Okay, yeah, so that didn't happen. But meanwhile, I told y'all we was gonna talk about the Dehancer and the Dehancer for the photo. Yeah, all right, so here it goes. Juneteenth was this past, how many other days ago? I went out downtown Birmingham and I got some content for you. So I just want you to kind of see what Dehancer looks like in the wild. I had a bunch of other ideas, but they just didn't kind of flesh out right, so we didn't do them. But and excuse me, I'm a little shiny. It's a little hot. See, I don't have one of them studios that got that AC and all that nice stuff that all the YouTubers got. Yeah, it's hot in here. It's 90 degrees outside, and I'm in like the attic. So, you gotta get it how you live. But I'm still talking while y'all looking at these Juneteenth videos. Dehancer, I did all the edits right there in that beautiful software that they make. It's for film emulations. If you want to make your stuff look old and you don't have any money for film, you could use your digital camera and you use Dehancer. It's simple as that. What else should I tell you? I also edit the video using Dehancer as the color correction software as well. They make some really good stuff over there. Meanwhile, here are a couple interviews that I did with people out at the Juneteenth parade, walk, day. It was something else going on, but it was Juneteenth weekend. So enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Hit the notification bell. Make some comments so I can start making some more videos more regularly. I'm done talking because you're probably tired of listening to me. Until the next video, adios. Well, no, I don't speak great Spanish, so all right, bye-bye. See you later.
Order in the court. Me first, you sure? All my time been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time.
I'm gonna put this mic on you, okay? I'm gonna put this mic on you, okay?
Why?
Cause I need that good information.
Information about what?
First off, I want to know about your flowers. Tell me a little bit about your flowers.
Okay, the name of my shop is Your Flower Shop.
Your flower shop.
And I've been in shop. Yeah, your shop. All right. And I've been in business for like about 40 years.
Oh, that's
First, I was around on 17th Street in the Temple building. Then when they closed, we came around here.
Okay.
So at least we've been around here, what, 12 years?
Yeah.
Approximately 12 years. Well, I do weddings, funerals, hospital, churches, anything in flowers.
Anything flower.
Right.
I love that. Now I got a question for you. This Juneteenth weekend. How does that impact you as a black woman and a black business here in Birmingham, Alabama?
Well, I hope everybody keep coming out and participating with the black folks. Buying and doing whatever.
Yeah.
It don't affect me at all. It's encouraged me.
That's good. That's good. What's been the hardest part about having a black-owned business here in Birmingham in these last 40 years?
Maybe not exactly hard, but like if somebody gets flowers and don't pay you.
Uh-oh. Hey, that's a business thing, yeah.
Right. But other than that, it ain't been hard.
What's your name?
Lenny Foster.
Lenny Foster, give me a hug, man.
Okay.
Nice to meet you today.
Nice to meet you.
I'm glad you're still here doing your thing.
Yes.
You have a good rest of the day, okay?
Okay. Don't forget your mind.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Hey, we got to know about Bama Health. I've been rocking. Yeah, about 30, and I just got 30. How you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I like when y'all
We're holding.
stuff with y'all hair.
It was always me, and then it happens to be.
Why you leave?
She She's always got new hair.
Need you in the game, Coach.
Camera shy.
Yeah, the camera ain't gonna do nothing to you.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, what it doing? It ain't even.
Capture all my bad angles.
Ain't no angles bad.
There ain't no angles
It was
bad.
made perfectly.
That's nice.
Okay then.
Yeah, exactly.
Jackie, tell me about Bama Health and why this is good for your whole life.
Yeah, Bama Health Foods is a health food store. This happens to be our mobile health food store, but we nourish lives naturally. We believe that if you can take care of yourself with supplements, herbs, and better for you, healthier foods, you can live longer and be healthier and more vibrant.
Now, with this being Juneteenth weekend in Birmingham, Alabama, how is that impactful, especially for people's health?
Yeah, so we're out here today letting people know that there is a better way, that if they could do preventative and shift behaviors and learn, many folks are suffering from chronic illness, diabetes, blood pressure, and so forth. So, but they don't know that there's a better way. So we're here offering them health and wellness tips and tricks and letting them know that just by a phone call, 205-540-5124, they can learn through us how to live a more naturally and healthy life.
Bama Health. As simple as that.
It's as simple as that.
And they fun too.
Yeah, we love the authenticity, you know, real. We're all about real food.
Yeah, that's it. I love real food.
Yep. You got to eat real food to be real and to be healthy.
How can they find you other than the phone number?
Yeah, you can find us in Birmingham at 1923 Bessemer Road, Birmingham, Alabama. You can reach us and see us on social media at Bama Health Foods, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. And you can reach us with that phone number at 205-540-5124 or go onto our website at bamahealthfoods.com.
BamaHealthFoods.com. Until next time. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so as great as Dehancer is, we got a problem. The thing keeps like crashing one photo at a time, and I've used it so many times to kind of try to fix that or figure it out, but it keeps crashing each photo. So like if I come straight out of Lightroom, I can edit one photo and it crash. If I grab it straight from my folder, it won't let me use multiple images at the same time and it crashes. Like my biggest con or downside with the machine is the crashing, and it only really happens in the photo app. It doesn't happen in using it for video, but I don't, maybe, does anybody have a fix for that? Maybe I'm tripping, but maybe I'm doing something wrong, but it crashes every single time I complete a photo and try to move on to the next one. Other than that, the thing's great. Yeah. Miss Creed herself. See, I knew you know what to do, so I ain't had to work as long.
Barely. Is that good?
First, I need to know about this shirt. That boy hard.
Entrepreneurial mindset. That's what it's about. You know it.
That's a Creed original.
It is.
What's your name, Danielle?
Oh, are we talking?
We here live. Yeah.
Hey, what's up? How are you?
I'm doing well.
Thank you for coming out. Thank you for coming out to support us. I'm Danielle Hines.
Yeah, them, not me.
I'm Danielle Hines, founder and CEO of Creed 63, located inside of the Arthur Shores Law Center. We are a 14,000 square foot facility with 5,000 square feet dedicated to co-working spaces. Right now, we have 177 small businesses that operate out of Creed, and it's Juneteenth, right?
It is.
And so when I founded Creed, I really wanted to open on a significant date. And at the time when I opened, Juneteenth was not yet a federal holiday. And now here we are. It always needed to be a federal holiday, and it's our anniversary. So we're celebrating two things.
Whew, well, I ain't got to ask you that because you already know everything to say.
Well, ask you something.
Okay, well, are all these businesses right here on this block yours?
Not all of them. So our businesses are spread out throughout.
Okay.
So we have some that are on the other side of 16th Street.
The Impact side?
Right. We have some that are on the Creed side, and then we have some that are at the Institute.
Oh, y'all just run the street.
Well, I mean, we support small business.
Y'all got the right Creed.
We got,
The Creed
that's right. CREED is an acronym.
Break it down.
Okay, it stands for Community Resources, Entrepreneurship, Education, Development. And you might not know this, but my mentor, Helen Shores Lee, her father, who the building is named after, was Martin Luther King's attorney.
Yeah.
So in order for me to pay homage and show respect to the civil rights movement and what happened during that time, CREED 63 is the name because in 1963 is when the March on Washington happened and he gave his I Have a Dream speech, right? Hold on,
I
wait.
ain't got nothing to say, y'all. She here coming. Come on.
And in that speech, he talked about living out the true meaning of our creed. And so that is where CREED, the actual name, came from.
Preach, preacher.
So, what else you want to know?
Deliver the word. I'm here with you today.
I love talking about CREED, so, you know, you just let me go. And
I'm going to just put the camera in front of you and I'll be back.
Okay, that's
you
what's
do your
up. That's
thing.
what's up. But let me tell you what we got out here today.
Okay, I want to hear it all.
All right, so we have over 60 small businesses out here. We have bounce houses. We have tables for you to eat after you go and patronize the vendors. We have a vendor scavenger hunt. So if you come out and you visit the CREED table, you pick up a vendor scavenger hunt. You can go around and talk to all the vendors, and when you finish it, you get a prize.
What's the prize?
I can't tell you, it's a prize.
Okay, all right. I got one
It's
real
a
question.
surprise.
I got a real question.
Okay, what's up?
How is Juneteenth really impactful for Black culture, Black businesses, especially here in Birmingham?
Ooh, I think for me, Juneteenth just brings us all together. The National Juneteenth theme this year is Better Together. And what better way to celebrate, and not necessarily celebrate, but to commemorate and be sure that we pay homage to what happened and our freedom, right? And so a lot of people don't know what Juneteenth is about. And I'll be honest with you, we got a lot of hate from people not even wanting us to do this. But we have to respect our history. We have to pay homage to where we came from, and we have to celebrate the future. So that's how we're bringing it all together.
Enough said. Danielle Hines.
Nice to meet you guys. Be sure you follow us at CREED63 on Instagram or send us an email, info@creed63.com.
Thank you, Danielle.
Thank you.
That off for you. Y'all out here all day. I was really about 6. We got to pack up 7.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometime
I just forget.
8 o'clock tonight.
What I'm out, so I'm just telling about it.
I've been talking to you from back here.
Okay.
Well, I'm the news now.
Okay.
Yeah. So where we at? At Ease
So
Drink.
we're at Ease Drink.
Okay.
I am Cameron Stevenson, the proud owner. I specialize in anxiety, also inflammation and chronic pain. Basically, we deal with the frozen and fresh fruit, and I have specialty drinks like Starburst, Lemon Drop, and also Peach Sunrise. I also offer bartending services for weddings, game nights, and any gathering you would need me to service. Because at Ease Drinks, we're trying to put you at ease.
Right.
Relaxation.
So what I need to do to get at ease?
Okay, so you need to get you one of these peach burgers.
I need a peach Starburst. These like little shots, huh?
Well, I also have 8 ounces and 12 ounces. Today, I'm just dealing with 4 ounces.
It's just a tease.
Yeah, that's just a teaser.
Okay.
Just a little tease.
That's fair.
Little to get you to come back.
That's fair. That's fair.
Yeah, that's well. You think so? Okay.
You're like, I think I need a little bit more.
Right. That's right. To bring you back, to be at ease.
And how many different flavors do you have?
Well, I have 4 different flavors, which are the Starburst Lemon Drop, the Peach Sunrise, and also with the smoothies, I have the mixed fruit, and that comes with peaches, mangoes, and strawberries, and also my strawberry smoothie.
Now, with this being Juneteenth weekend, how is that an instrumental factor for you and your business throughout the history and the culture?
Well, basically, it's many people like me in my culture that deal with anxiety and different things that, stress them out on a daily basis. And with that, this drink helps me. And I just want to bring it to my community to help them understand you don't have to be pharmaceutical to deal with those issues. We're just trying a healthy way to deal with what you have going on as far as like your anxiety, chronic pain, inflammation, instead of adding additional side effects with that pharmaceutical medication.
That's how you stay at ease, right?
Right.
Okay.
That's how we can do it.
Simply that. Now, how can we get to you on the social media?
Well, you can follow me at Ease Drinks on Facebook, Snapchat, and also Instagram. And my number is 205-905-0159.
At ease.
Check me out at Ease Drinks. At Ease Drinks.
What's your name? Now they need to know
Cameron
you.
Stevenson is my name.
Okay.
I'm a proud owner of Ease Drinks.
Said some things about me that ain't true. How you feeling now? Even at my lowest, they tried to find a way to bring me down. Big y'all up for years, ain't talking just the brand or the sound. I don't throw things around, I do it from the heart proud. Mama just wanna see her sunshine, removing them dark clouds. Yeah. Self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it. Yeah. Self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it. Love yourself.